Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 24, 2024. Here is another daily analysis starting with S&P 500 daily chart. So as we expected, market correcting itself and correction is on their way for more downside. I believe that we are going to go down all the way to 53.90. That's going to be first kind of like a support area, and buyers probably come back here somewhere around 54, 53.90. But I should say this is going to be just intermediate support. We may see a bounce, but I believe that we are going to go down all the way to July 14 to 21st, which is going to be next to 3 weeks for another buying opportunity somewhere around 53 to 52.90. So that's the level that I'm just looking for next rally. So this is going to be a short-term correction, which is going to be 3% to 5% correction, nothing more. And after that, I should say market is getting back to the rally. But right now, lots of names actually are coming into corrective territory, and we should take that one as well. Stochastic momentum wise, bear reversal, MACD bear reversal, RSI as well. And also, if you haven't seen my weekly analysis, make sure watch the link up there. So because it's there. So I covered that one in weekly analysis as well, and the levels that we are expecting. Nasdaq coming down, the leader for the downside, as that sharp decline is coming, and here we go. We are just seeing the decline for Nasdaq, the level that I'm just looking at. We may see some kind of like a small bounce in SMA 20, which is going to be 19,240. But I should say the bigger picture, we are seeing kind of like a bounce, ABC down, coming here to 18,800 to 19,000 area. That's going to be the level, I should say, for a reversal. So reversal is here for Nasdaq, somewhere around here. And as long as we are above May pivot, we are good to go for another rally. So this potential drop is going to be actually not potential, it is actual right now, but this potential bottom could be buying opportunity. Moving on to US 30, as I said, Dow is leading while market is just correcting itself in technology. Money is flowing into big heavy value names. So this is pretty nice. We just got optic today and then nicely going back up. This is a weekly Dow. Let me go to daily because it just proves itself better. Right now we are seeing kind of like a good scenario for buy. Still money is going up to Dow, so we should see some kind of like a 40,000 area, which is going to be 600 level or higher. That's going to be the level that Dow can hit resistance here. Otherwise, we should see some kind of like a consolidation, I should say, for a next rally to new all-time high. And I believe that Dow would be the leader in this correction time frame. So Dow can lead to the upside. Moving on to gold. Gold had the uptick today, not a bad session at all. I believe that gold is pretty close to bottom if it is not there yet. So this is kind of like the bottom information that I see. As I said before, many times there are two scenarios. We hit the bottom and gold needs to go higher above this 2000 or 2360. So look at 2360, 2370, let's say. So that's very important pivot. If it goes above this, we are back to rally to new all-time high, potentially 2,500, or we can see some kind of like a dip for washout low to this important weekly demand area, 2150 to 2222, and then getting back to new all-time high. So either case is going to be bullish. I don't think bullish momentum for precious metals are over. We just need to see some kind of like a confirmation which way we should take. Moving on to silver, hiccup today, narrow body bar, wide range, nothing spectacular. Moving on to daily chart, let me just show you here. So we got kind of like a bottoming confirmation here. So silver in a daily chart is very, very nicely showing a very interesting pattern. And I just want to show you here, pretty interesting. So this is nice, a bull flag, and we need to get above this. So if we get above this bull flag, which is going to be June 21st, that is very, very important level. So if we get above this white range bar, we can see silver is getting back to bullish momentum and potentially $35 to $36 per ounce is coming down the road. So everyone needs to keep an eye on price-wise, I should say, is going to be here. So let me just tell you the price. The price is going to be high. It's going to be $30, 31. So if silver goes above 31 close, then we can see 34 to 36 is coming. Easy. So this is going to be very, very sharp move. And I believe that it's coming potentially in July, August. So we will see that. Moving on to crude, which is hiking higher today as well. So crude is starting week positive. This is very bullish. And we should see some kind of like a more bullish action down the road as well. Bullish consolidation. $82 recapture today, closed, and we should see another hike to 84. If it get above 84, then 92 is coming down the road. So crude has very potential, upside potential down the road. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin, which crashed today. Bitcoin just going down below this important demand area. This is very, very important level, because if it goes below this 57-ish thousand or 56,000, that's going to be very, very important signal, because Bitcoin cannot get back to the upside. We are going all the way down to 48 to 52. So this is very, very important demand. And we should just get a very strong bounce here. Otherwise, Bitcoin is getting topped and it goes lower as well. So everyone needs to keep an eye on this pivot. If it goes below 56, then 52 to 48 is coming, and it's going to be great buying opportunity, I should say. This is very, very strong global, strong buying area. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum 121, it's getting down. Ethereum actually is working better, getting down to this demand area still above 3,000. It's going to be good. A bond yield down today at 10 cents down, nothing spectacular. TLT is up today, 38 cents up, not a bad session. VIX, 13 cents up, still sellers to control. Dixie down today, 34 cents down. Dixie is not as strong. So this means Federal Reserve is going to bring the rate down, I believe, in July session. We may see. Apple is up today, but sellers to control the entire session. After hours, it goes back up higher. Amazon, just a sharp bullish engulfing at the top. I believe that Amazon topped here for short term. If it goes below this pivot, it's going to be tricky, because that's going to be an M pattern. It can go down all the way to here to 166, but I don't think that's going to happen. Meta, $4.30 up today. Not a bad session at all. Bull flag, actually. Meta is forming a bullish consolidation. This is very nice. So that's why market is mixed, showing very mixed signals. Microsoft hitting the all-time high, reversing back down sharply. 452 touch today. That's amazing. Google, a nominal new all-time high, 179.29, and then getting back to the downside. This means correction is here for the market. Netflix, $17 down today. So this is important demand supply area, which we just see at the very higher stretch of this supply area. Netflix goes down. Tesla, 43 cents down here. So not a bad session, still chopping around. Semiconductor index, they are leader to the downside. They broken actually this trend line here as well. So this trend line has been broken. So this one can go down all the way to here, which is going to be 236. So this is kind of like a semiconductor idea that I have for SMH. Moving on to SOX, $7.13 down today. SOX can go all the way down to 222. Taiwan Semiconductor, sharp sell-off as well. So this one can test this area, which is 148. AMD, 98 cents down. Not a bad session for AMD compared to the other ones. Nvda was kind of like a leading to the downside, goes down even after hours. It took more head. I believe Nvidia can go all the way down to this gap, which is going to be 92 to 96. So sub $100 Nvidia could be very potential scenario to this important breakout demand area. So this is going to be 92 to 96, as I said. Nvda, right now we are expecting more than 20% correction. Taiwan Semiconductor, TXN, Texas Instrument is down $1.96. This is a bearish consolidation. This one can go down to 173. Lam Research going down as well, 25.93 down. XLF, which is financials, they're just spiking higher today nicely, 26 cents up. KBE up today, 51 cents up. As I said, banks are good. Dow is beneficiary of good banks. KRE, the same pattern here. It's just getting back to above this trend line. If it goes above 49 to 50, this should be hiking higher. JP Morgan, $2.58 up. Goldman Sachs $11.91 up. This is a bullish consolidation and just broken up nicely today, confirmed, and we just need to get above this pivot, and then a rocket star is coming down the road for Goldman. Bank of America, 53 cents up. A good price action here, small bullish consolidation. Wells Fargo, 91 cents up as well. So this is broken up. Nice back test. Today confirmation. Seems like buy signal is here very solid. GDX, 26 cents up. Not a bad session. GDXJ, 11 cents up. Still kind of like a chopping around. AEM, 43 cents up. Newmont, 34 cents up. Bullish consolidation here for Newmont. Good pattern here. Franco Nevada actually getting back up. $1.61 up. And Gold Barrick, 16 cents up today. Not a bad session. A bullish Harami, not a bad session at all. Moving on to XLE, which is Energy Spider, $1.53 up. XOP, $3.40 up. Fantastic move for XOP. This is great. Seems like energy is getting back to the bullish momentum. OIH, $8.42 up. Great move for OIH. Exxon, $3.29 up. Still within this short-term bearish channel, but I believe that if it goes higher above this 117, it can go higher very, very nicely. And the last one is Chevron, $4.03 up. Chevron is the same as well. I believe that Chevron just broke above this trend line today nicely, and we should see some kind of like a good bullish momentum all the way to 165 to 166. Energy is getting back to the bullish momentum, folks. As I said before, energy, gold miners, they're going to be a good rocket star for this summer rally. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a fantastic day, week as well. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.